Hi, my name is Allison Muller, and I am the Global Head of Marketing for Oracle Health Sciences. And I am pleased today to have the chance to speak with Michelle Taylor Scott, who is the Associate Director of Data Management at Health Decisions. Hi, Michelle. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, Allison.
So when you think back on your career in clinical research and the technology you've used in the past to support clinical trials, what are some of the challenges you've experienced?
I think, the biggest challenge is just being able to find a technology that is, flexible, dynamic, where we can actually be a partner and be part of the solution, not just, talk about all of the problems, but be part of the solution. From a technology standpoint, it would usually take us about 10 weeks to get a study up and running properly. That's the number one complaint for most sponsors. They want something yesterday. So we thought it would behoove us to have, kind of a one-stop shop that we could use for all of our studies that was flexible enough to allow us to, have studies with one visit versus studies with 27, 28 visits. And that's what we really liked about the Clinical One platform. Its dynamic capabilities to, allow us to have that randomization piece that's a seamless integration without any, it's going to cost you X amount of dollars to do this. It's just one platform where everything works together and there's not a lot of, back-end discussion or back-end programming that has to go into it, which is a time saver for us, it's cost saving for us, and we pass that savings on to our sponsors.
And why did you select Clinical One over other options or solutions in the market?
The major deciding factor for us was the positive relationship that we already had with Oracle, and also for the capabilities that Clinical One allows, you really could not beat the cost. In data management, there's never a shortage of anything to do, but being able to, shorten the timelines just gives my staff an opportunity to work on, more than one project at a time, because, study startup takes 85% of a project manager's time, and just having that shortened to 4 to 6 weeks or less, that's a good selling point when we go into bid defense meetings and they say, well, typically, how long does it take to build a database? If you can say that you can get someone's database up in 4 weeks, you really don't have to say anything else. That's going to pretty much sell itself.
Is there anything else you'd like to add or share as we close this up?
Well, I will say that, we are, really excited to have our studies being put into the Clinical One platform. We've had it demoed to the sponsors that we're going to build their trials in the platform, and they were blown away. They liked that everything is all together, that it's the one-stop shop. They liked, of course, as I was saying earlier, the shortened timelines, and they liked the ease of use. With the randomization and the data capture, it is very intuitive for the site users. So, that's a big plus as well. And I think that, once the world learns that it's out there, that it's only going to be good things.